my vlog, guys. This vlog I've created and my website, especially for this website. So this is the beautiful website, guys. I've created now. It's been some time, and DA has improved, and this is the landing page. So it has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages, and I created this with AI. Put my pictures also. Put these buttons also. See, the button is going to WhatsApp. This button is going to YouTube. This button is going to Facebook, and this is me. So, guys, I'm a SEO consultant in India. So, this is the page I've created with AI. These are the prices. I charge 200, 300, and $400 for different packages: basic, standard, and premium. On page, off page. So, this is the home page, guys, and this is the other page, services page. I'm editing this one. This is Upwork. So this is what I wanted to tell you, that I've created this, and get in touch button also over here, this one, and then image, and then about me, and then this content. This I have to edit further. So guys, let's go to Upwork. So Upwork also I have made this profile. I have earned on $9,000 till now. 18,000. So this is the proposal I use on Upwork. My Varun Kumar, I'm a consultant. This, and yeah, and I do this, and these are my videos. This is my channel. This is past experience. So, guys, let's see the analytics also. So, in the last 20 days, I've seen these men traffic 230, 263, and the traffic has come from across the globe. And just now I've received a message on WhatsApp from Dubai. So I'm getting some messages now. So guys, that's it. So please subscribe to the channel. The channel name is Varun Kumar Riat, SEO Expert India. Uh, so it's my channel. It has 20,000 views now. So please subscribe, and cheers, and have a great day. And I will keep making videos and telling you about my experiences and how to make a website in WordPress. That is most important. So WordPress is very important for SEO, guys. So, guys, thank you, and